it's me, Blippi.
Hi, and I'm Meekah.
And look at what's behind us.
A fire truck! Today we're at High Tech Emergency Vehicle Service.
In Oakdale, California.
Yep, and here they build fire trucks for cities all over the country.
Yeah, wait a second. Meekah, I wonder if they'll let us help them build a fire truck today.
That would be so cool.
Let's go.
Come on. Whoa.
Cool.
Yeah, check out this fire truck.
Oh, it's so new and big.
Yeah, well, this is a Type 1 fire truck, one of the most common fire trucks there is.
Wow, I wonder where they use this at.
Oh, they use it in cities, in towns, to put out fires. It's also used in medical emergencies.
Whoa, so cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, speaking of cool,
Oh.
Meekah, check it out.
Another one.
Yeah, this one is a lot smaller. This is a Type 6 fire truck.
Whoa, and look how big that wheel is.
Yeah, exactly. This fire truck is used out in the wilderness. Not every fire happens in the city. Yeah. Ooh, and look at this, Meekah.
Whoa, there's a lot of space there. It's really high up.
Yeah, if they had to go over a log or a tall rock, so then it doesn't hit the body, yeah, the chassis of the fire truck.
Oh, that's so smart.
Oh, these are so cool.
Yeah, there's so many different kinds of fire trucks.
Yeah, and a big bumper.
Whoa.
Yeah. Whoa.
Wow, this one's really tall.
Whoa, it kind of looks like a mix between the last two.
Yeah, this is a Type 3 fire truck.
Wow, it looks pretty tall, but then
Uh-huh.
it has the same kind of body.
Yeah, you can use this truck in big cities.
Oh, and out in the wilderness.
Cool.
Whoa, this is so much fun.
Yeah, whoa, Blippi, look.
Whoa. Whoa, this looks like the Type 1 fire truck.
Yeah, and it's tilted over because they must be working on it.
Oh, yeah, and do you see? There's not even the body attached to this fire truck.
Yeah, come look.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Cool, look right here.
Yeah, there's a lot of tubes and a big engine.
Yeah! Ooh, I see the hydraulic fluid, ooh, some oil, ooh, a bunch of cylinders. This
Yeah.
looks very powerful.
It's so cool that we get to see the inside of this truck.
Yeah! Hey, what if we can go see how they build these fire trucks?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Come
Hey.
on! Hey, what's your name?
I'm Brian Ruthman.
Oh, hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Blippi.
Hi, I'm Meekah. So what do you do here?
I'm the plant supervisor.
Oh, cool. But what's this machine?
This is a laser. It focuses beams of light through mirrors, and we use it to cut through the metal.
Whoa, that's awesome. So it makes parts of a fire truck?
Yeah, it makes the complete body and everything on the fire truck.
Whoa! So the side of the fire truck, yeah, the metal parts, this machine cuts them out. Whoa!
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah.
What are you working on right now?
We knew you were coming, so we decided to draw up a Meekah and a Blippi logo. So we're going to be cutting that out on the laser today.
Whoa! Cool!
Yeah, so can we watch it be made?
Yeah. Yep, we just got to put our safety glasses on.
Oh, cool!
Yeah,
First
good
things
idea.
first.
Safety first.
Whoa! How do I look?
Oh, very nice.
Oh, you too.
Safe and protected.
Cool.
Oh, can I press the start button?
Yeah, it's right over here.
Yeah.
Whoa, check it out, Blippi.
Oh yeah, my name, Blippi. Will you spell my name with us?
B-L-I-P-P-I.
Blippi.
Oh, and look, there's my name. Will you spell my name with us? M-E-E-K-A-H, Meekah.
Oh, check it out. So many buttons and knobs and
Yeah. The start button. Will you count down with us? Cool. 3, 2, 1.
yeah.
Whoa.
Cool.
Yeah.
Wow. It turned out so great. Whoa, check it out. It's my name.
Wow, it looks really good.
Yeah, yours does too.
Thank you. Look at mine. You can see the bow like I have in my hair.
Oh.
And oh look, there's my jam pack.
Cool. Wow, that was so much fun cutting out our names with that laser machine.
Yeah, really cool.
Oh,
Hey.
hey, whoa, what do you think? Do they look good?
Yeah, they look really good.
Nice. Thank you so much for showing us how to do that.
Yeah, that was really fun. After this machine cuts pieces out of this metal, then what's the next step?
The next step is we take the pieces over to the body tables, and then we go over there and we start welding all the pieces together to form the fire truck body.
Oh,
Cool.
Could you show us?
Yeah, follow me.
All right.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa, I know what this is. This is welding, right?
Yep.
Oh, welding? I've never welded before. What is it?
Ooh, I think I know what it is. Can I answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I think it's when you fuse two pieces of metal together with electricity, gas, and heat. Is that correct?
Yep, that's right.
Oh, wow, that sounds kind of complicated.
Yeah, what's this that they're welding?
This is the front of a fire truck body.
Whoa. So much work goes into building a fire truck.
Yeah. And wait a second, what are those?
These are your protective gloves and your protective helmet from the arc from the welder to protect your eyes and your vision.
Oh, looks like a cool helmet.
Yeah.
Why do you need to protect your eyes?
Because the arc's really bright and it'll damage your eyes.
Oh. Wow. Well, if someone's going to be welding, do we get those really cool looking helmets?
Yep, we have a helmet for each of you here.
Awesome.
Whoa, cool. Meekah.
Look, Blippi, that's your name.
Yeah. Hey, wait a second. And your name on yours.
So awesome. Thank
Whoa.
you.
Ooh, maybe we should try it on.
Oh yeah, let's see if they fit.
Whoa.
Hello?
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 Where'd you go?
Huh?
Whoa.
Hello?
Whoa.
It's so dark. Oh.
Wait, where are you?
Oh, it's so dark in there.
Yeah, it is. Wow, it's so dark. And why do you wear the gloves?
To protect you from the heat and the spark during the welding process.
Whoa. Smart.
Yep.
Yeah, good to be safe.
Yep. And are you going to be the welder today?
We have Matthew here, and he's going to teach you how to weld the body.
Oh, all right, cool.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we'll be seeing you after this welding fun.
Yep, I'll catch you later at the paint shop.
All right, see ya.
Whoa, nice to meet you, Matthew. How long have you worked here for?
3 years now.
Wow, cool. We're excited to see you weld.
Oh, perfect. Let's get started then.
Okay.
All right. Whoa. Ooh, he's putting on his gloves.
Oh.
Oh, and is that your really cool looking helmet?
Yes, it is.
Whoa. Wow, so how do you actually weld?
You'll bring it up to your material or your metal. You'll strike the arc and drag. We call it the puddle down of material.
Oh.
All right.
He knows what he's doing.
Yeah. Well, we're excited.
Alrighty.
Put these down now?
Yes, sir.
All right.
It is time.
Whoa, cool. Is it safe to pull up our helmets?
Yes, it is.
Oh.
Whoa. I can definitely see why you need a helmet.
Yeah, that was really, really bright.
Yeah. Hey, do you mind if I try?
Of course you can.
Whoa, cool, Blippi.
Whoa.
Here is a jacket for you to protect you from the sparks.
Oh, cool. Yeah, safety jacket.
Nice.
Yeah, how do I look?
Oh, nice. It fits well.
Yeah. Okay, I should probably button this up, right?
All right,
Yep.
so you have your jacket, your helmet, and what else does Blippi need?
Gloves. Okay, let's go like this. Here's one glove. And my second glove.
Whoa.
2 gloves. All right. Okay, well, I'm ready.
Good luck, Blippi.
Thank you.
Cool.
Whoa! I think I did a pretty good job.
Whoa, Blippi, that was awesome.
Oh, look, I fused those pieces of metal together.
How was it?
It was really exhilarating.
Wow, that was really cool to watch.
Yeah. Wow, well, that was really fun learning about welding.
Yeah, thanks for showing us.
Yeah.
No problem.
Well, should we go to the paint shop?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
See what's going on over there.
We'll give you those.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Should we take our signs?
Yeah, so then
Okay.
we can paint them.
Awesome.
Oh,
Thanks, Matthew.
yeah, thank you. Here you go.
Okay.
All right, see you later.
Bye.
Whoa.
Whoa, this paint booth is so big.
Yeah, and look, we're wearing our paint suits.
Woo! Why is this paint booth so big?
That's so we can fit a fire truck in it. It's 80 feet long.
Whoa, you can paint an entire fire truck in here?
Yep.
Wow, cool.
Whoa. Hey, Meekah, look, our names.
Oh yeah, our signs are hanging up. They're ready to be painted.
Whoa. Can we paint those today?
Yep, we've got paint sprayers for you, and we've got your colors mixed up, ready to go.
Oh, I hope that you got purple.
And either blue or orange for me?
We have purple and orange.
Yeah,
Oh,
awesome.
we're excited. Shall we get started?
Sure, I'll go get your paint sprayers.
All right.
Okay.
Get suited up, and we'll be ready to go.
All right.
Hey. Glasses like this.
Yep, and right.
And the wrist. I'm so ready.
Me too. It's gonna look so cool.
I can barely hear you, Meekah.
What? Wow. It really was. They're nice and dry now.
Yeah. Oh, nice purple, Meekah.
Oh, thank you. A nice orange, Blippi.
Oh, thanks. Whoa. Hey.
Hey.
Wow, how did they look?
They look perfect.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for teaching us how to paint these.
Yeah, and thank you so much for teaching us how fire trucks are built.
Yeah, it was such a fun day.
Yeah, I got a surprise waiting for you guys outside.
Oh, I can't wait to see what it is.
Exciting, thank you.
See ya.
Let's go.
Yeah.
We're always ready at the fire station. We're always ready to go. We're always ready for any mission. No time to take it slow. So get in the truck and we will drive right there. The team is on its way. And now we're shooting water at the flames. And we will save the day. When the alarm bell rings, there's no fire that we can't put out. Let's do our thing. Let's save the people in danger now. And we'll save the day with the water hose, like we trained so hard to do. When the alarm bell rings, start up the fire station with the fire truck. Help them all with the fire truck. To be a firefighter, you have got to stay healthy and strong, so you can lift anyone in danger when things are going wrong. And we're on our toes all day and night, waiting for people in need. We work hard to firefight when there's an emergency. When the alarm bell rings, there's no fire that we can't put out. Let's do our thing. Let's save the people in danger now. And we'll save the day with the water hose, like we've trained so hard to do. When the alarm bell rings, turn out the fire station with the fire truck. Help them all with the fire truck.
Whoa!
What a fun surprise.
Yeah, we got 2 surprises. These cool firefighter outfits.
And a big fire truck.
Yeah, it's so awesome here at high-tech emergency vehicle service.
In Oakdale, California.
Yeah, we got to see so many different kinds of fire trucks.
Oh yeah, like the ones that fight fires in the city.
Yeah, and ones that put out forest fires.
Whoa, and it was really cool being able to see that laser machine.
Yeah, look at these really neat signs.
Yeah.
And you got to try welding.
Oh yeah, that was so cool.
Yeah.
And you did a very great job with your painting.
Thanks, Blippi. You did a great job, too.
Oh, that was so much fun. Well, if you had fun and want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name.
Yep.
Will you spell my name with us? Ready?
Blippi.
Blippi. Good job.
Nice. Hey, will you spell my name with us? Cool. Meekah.
Meekah. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait, did you hear that? Sounds like a fire call. Let's go.
Yeah. Yes, we are. Please be careful. We are coming through to save the day. Ready to rescue.
Whoa! Look! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! This is a big red truck. But ew! Ugh, it's really dirty! Do you see how dirty this truck is? Oh! Oh! Look! Perfect! A tank! What if we filled up the tank with water and then a little bit of soap and then washed off the truck? Yeah! Let's fill it up with water. Oh! Oh! Ow! It's so heavy. Whoa! Oh! Okay, here we go. Perfect! Awesome! We're filling up the tank with water. Hello! Ah! Whoa! This is a lot of water. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Look! It's gonna be like a truck bath. Oh! A truck wash! Yeah! Whoa! It just got me in the eye. Okay. Wow. Whoa. Oh, that was really heavy. Wow. Do you see me? Hey! See, the water's really clear. Perfect. Because now we can put the truck in there and give it a truck wash. But first, wait, we need soap. Like a bubble bath, kind of, you know? Okay, it's down here. Oh, that was really heavy too. Just kidding, see? It's not that heavy. I was just acting like it was really heavy. Okay, let's put some soap in here. Okay. Whoa, there's soap in there now. Okay, now we have really clean, soapy water. it's time for the truck to get washed. So you and I, let's both say Blippi truck wash 3 times in a row. And then we'll put the truck in there. Okay, ready? Blippi truck wash. Blippi truck wash. Blippi truck wash. Beep, beep. Whoa! 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 Isn't this a cool truck? It was so dirty before. Look, and all the dirt is in the water. Now, it's a big red truck. You can see the color now. Yeah, that's the color red. Okay, now I think we should wash a real big red truck. Hey, look at what it is. Whoa, it's a giant red truck, and it's really dirty. Today, we are going to wash and get it squeaky clean. Come on. Whoa, look at all this dirt. Ew, it's really dirty. But before we wash the truck, I think we should get it a little bit more dirty. Look. Oh, flour. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Look at how dirty we're making the truck. Okay, and a little bit more on the bed back here. Look at this giant scoop. Okay, one last one. Ready? I'm gonna throw it from really far away. Scoop back a little, okay? Bums away! Okay, I think that's enough flour. Okay, let's see. I think we should get it a little bit more dirty. And I have the perfect thing. Oh, yeah. Hot sauce. I love hot sauce. Let's put a little hot sauce on the truck. But first, since I like it, Lord, this helps. Whoa. Ketchup and mustard. Okay. Whoa, that was really hot. Okay, ketchup and mustard. Come on. Here we go. Whee! Whoa! Oh, let's get some on the tire. Okay, let's do, I have an idea. Let's take the yellow mustard and let's do a smiley face. Ready? smiley face. Okay, let's take the red ketchup. Stay right there. And we'll make a red frown face, okay? Ready? That's so much fun. Okay, we need to get some coins so we can wash the truck now. $5. Okay, let's put it in the slot. Listen. Yeah. Jackpot! Whoa! Okay, got the money. Okay, come on. Okay, let's see here. This is the dial. High pressure rinse, high pressure wax, high pressure rinse. Okay. Okay. We need more coins. So we can put it in there. There we go. All right. Got enough right here. Okay. Are you ready? Whoa, whoa. Okay, let's go to the other side. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. It's like a water gun. Really powerful. Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! It's getting really clean. Whoa! It's almost all off. Hey, watch out! Don't get wet. No, stay over here. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna go put this back. You stay right here, and then we'll wash it with our hands, okay? Stay right here. With that water gun, we got it pretty clean. But we need to get it a little bit more clean with our hands. Okay, look. Okay, we got a bucket and we have some soap. Okay. Okay. Yeah, green soap. Okay, and then, ooh, ah, here's some water. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. And our scrubbing items, like this, a towel. Perfect. Look, ketchup and mustard. Okay, put that in there. Ooh, this scrubby is for the tires and the wheels. And this one, whoa, whoa. This one's for the top, where it's hard to reach. We'll do this one later. Okay, but first, Okay, come on. Okay. Oh. Whoa. That bucket of water is so heavy. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Here we go. Take the rag and start to wash it like this. Okay. Get a little bit more soap on it. Look at this. Come on. Look how soapy the water is. Wow. Okay. Let's go like this. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. We gotta clean all of the yellow and the red off because there's a lot of ketchup and mustard. Ooh, there's some more right here. Watch this. Ready? Okay. There we go. Okay. And ooh, come back to the back. Whoa. Whoa. This needs some cleaning. Let's take the scrubby. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. I like cleaning trucks and cars. Scrub, 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 scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub. Okay, there we go. Okay, that is pretty clean. Now we just need to spray it one more time. But first, oh, remember the really high one? Let's go get it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Look at that sponge. Come on. Put it in the soapy water. And, whoa, let's take it to the top. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. So tall up there. Oh. Okay. Okay. I think we knocked everything loose. So, last thing we gotta do is spray it down one last time. Whoa! Okay, we need to spray the truck down one last time. Whoa, okay, here we go. Wow. Whoa! Let's get the tire over here. Oh. Okay, now that the truck is really clean, I wanted to say, hey, make sure you don't get any grown-up's vehicle dirty on purpose like we did. We only did that for this video because we needed the truck a little bit more dirty. Well, it was so much fun washing this big red truck with you. Whoa! Okay, bye-bye!